Hi, good morning to all. So here today matrices continuation. Okay. So here today next definitions. So here first here in this first definition here, addition of two matrices. Okay, addition of two matrices. So here addition of two matrices, addition of two matrices. So here in this data, if A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are two matrices of same order. Two matrices of same order. Okay, two matrices of same order, say m by n. Say m by n. Then the sum of two matrices of A and B is defined as a matrix C is equal to Cij m by n. C is equal to Cij m by n. Where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Okay, Aij plus Bij. Okay. See here, if A and B are two matrices of same order, say m by n, orders are same, then the sum of two matrices A and B is defined as a matrix. Okay, defined as a matrix. C is equal to Cij m by n, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Aij plus Bij means adding corresponding elements. Okay, adding corresponding elements. All possible values of I and j. See here, for example, here A is equal to, here A is equal to 1 to, here 0 1 to 0 1. Next one B is equal to, here B is equal to, see here in this B is equal to minus 1 0, here 2 3. Okay, right? See here, this is AB. So here A plus B. So here A plus B is equal to, here A plus B matrix. Here A plus B matrix is, here adding corresponding elements here. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next meaning 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Next meaning 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Next meaning here 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. This is A plus B. Okay, A plus B means adding corresponding elements here. Adding corresponding elements. This is A plus B. Okay. So sum of two matrices definition here. If A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are two matrices of the same order, say m by n, then the sum of two matrices A and B is defined as a matrix C is equal to Cij m by n, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Okay, adding corresponding elements. Right, next is here multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Okay, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. So here if A is equal to Aij m by n is a matrix, A is a matrix and K is a scalar. So here K is a scalar. K is a scalar, then Ka is another matrix. Ka is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar K. Each element of the element A by the scalar K. Multiply each element. So here for example here A is equal to, here 3 2 4 1 A. Okay, A matrix, then 3A. Okay, 3A. So 3 is the scalar. 3 is the scalar. So multiply 3 here 3A. Okay, 3 into 3 9. Next 3 into 2 6. Next 3 into 4 12. Next 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, multiply each element of matrix by 3. Okay, 3 is the scalar, or like 2 also same. Next 5 same scalar. Okay, multiply. So this is the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Okay, multiply each element of the matrix by the scalar. Okay, so this is the definition, second one. Okay, all right, next is here negative of a matrix. Next remaining negative, here negative of a matrix. So here the negative of a matrix A is denoted by minus A. Negative of a matrix A is denoted by minus A. Negative. Okay, negative of a matrix A is denoted by minus A. Negative of a matrix A is denoted by minus A. So here we define minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. Minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. This is negative of a matrix A. Okay. Negative of matrix B is minus B. Negative of matrix C is minus C. Okay, right. Next is here in this one. So here in this one is difference of matrices. So difference, say this is sum here. Okay, this is difference. Both are same. Okay, sum means adding corresponding elements. Difference means subtraction. Okay, see here. So here A and B are two matrices of same order, say m by n. The difference, okay, the difference A minus B, the difference A minus B is defined as a matrix D. D is equal to Dij m by n, where Dij is equal to Aij minus Bij. Aij minus Bij. Difference is minus. Okay, difference is minus. Sum is plus. Okay, here sum plus. Here difference is minus. So here where Dij is equal to Aij minus Bij. Difference is subtraction. Okay, subtraction corresponding elements. Okay, subtraction of corresponding elements. So this is the difference of two matrices. Here if A is equal to this matrix, B is equal to this matrix, then A minus B is, here subtraction corresponding 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Next meaning 2 minus into minus plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next meaning 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Next here 4 minus 2. Here 4 minus 2 is 2. This is the difference. Okay, difference of two matrices. Okay, right. See in this next definition here. In this next definition, right, see here in this next definition here. So here in this one, next one is multiplication. Okay, multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Okay, multiplication. See here the product. Multiplication means product. See here the product of two matrices. The product of two matrices A and B is defined if the number of columns. Here this is important. The number of columns of A, the number of columns of A is equals to the number of rows of B. Okay, the number of rows of B. See here, the number of columns of A is equals to the number of rows of B. Okay, number of columns is equal to number of rows. The product is possible. Okay, right. See here, thus if A is equal to Aij, A is equal to Aij m by n, B is equal to Bjk n by B. See here, this is rows to columns. J is the column. Okay, so here this is J is the row here in this matrix. Okay, here columns rows are equal here. So here m by n, n by p. See here, this is the column n. Here n is the rows here. Are two matrices of orders m by n and n by p respectively. Then their product AB is of order m by p. See here AB is of order m by p. AB is of order m by p. See here, this is n are equal here. Next remaining order m by p coming. Okay, m by p. See here, n equal here. n equal here. Okay. Next order coming here, m by p coming. m by p coming. Okay, m by p. And it is defined as AB is equal to C. New matrix coming. AB is equal to C. Okay, C is equal to C here. Here JJ are equal here. Remaining value IK. Okay. Next, in this matrix order here, NN are equal here. Okay, NN equal. Next remaining order is M by P. Okay, M by P coming. See here that is. See here product here in this, that is this one. Okay, this one. Product AB is equal to, AB means product here. Multiply product. Okay, see here multiplication. Okay, AB is equal to sigma. Here J equal here. Okay, J is equal to 1 to, here N equal here. N. J is equal to 1 to N. Aij into Bjk. Product here. Aij into Bjk. Okay, AB is equal to product here. Aij into Bjk. See here, that is equal, this total matrix is new matrix Cik. Okay, Cik m by p, where Cik is equal to sigma J is equal to 1 to N Aij into Bjk. Okay, Aij into Bjk. Okay, this is the product of two matrices. Okay, product of two matrices condition here. The number of columns of A is equals to the number of rows of B. Okay, columns, first matrix columns, second matrix rows are equal. Okay, then the product is possible. Okay, alright. Next, see here, if A and B are two matrices such that AB exists. Okay, in this note, see here AB exists, then BA may or may not exist. BA may or may not exist. Okay, AB exists means the number of columns of A is equals to number of rows of B. Okay, so this note is A and B are two matrices such that AB exists, then BA may or may not exist. Okay, alright. See, this is product of matrices means the number of columns of A is equals to the number of rows of B. Okay, the number of columns of A is equals to the number of rows of B. Product is possible. Okay, Right. See here next one. Right. See here next properties of multiplication of matrices. Here properties here. Next time many properties. Okay, properties. So here in this properties here. So here in this properties here. So in this first one, okay, associative law. For any three matrices A, comma B and C, we have, see here. So AB into C, AB into C, okay, AB into C is equal to A into BC. This is associative law. Okay, AB into C is equal to A into BC. Whenever both sides of equality are defined. Okay, here in this both sides of inequality are defined. So here A B into C is equal to A into BC. Associative law satisfied here. Okay. Next step meaning distributive law. Here second one is distributive law. So in this distributive law, for any three matrices A, comma B, comma C, here in the distributive law A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Okay, AB plus AC. Next second one, A plus B into C. A plus B into C is equal to here A into C, AC plus B into C, BC. Okay, this is distributive law. Okay, this is distributive law. Okay, first one is associative law is AB into C is equal to A into BC. Distributive law A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Next meaning A plus B into C is equal to AC plus B into C is BC. Okay. Next is here in the third one here, existence of multiplicative identity. See here, existence of multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. See here, for every square matrix A, for every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of same order such that I into A is equal to A into I is equal to A. Okay, see here I is the multiplicative identity. I is the multiplicative identity. So in this condition here, IA, see here I into A is equal to here A into I is equal to A coming. Okay, A coming. So here I is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity in matrix, same matrix coming. Okay, I into A is equal to A. A into I is equal to A coming. Okay, so here I is the multiplicative identity. Okay. Next is here in these problems here. First today definitions: addition, okay, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, three definitions today only: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication. See here today problems. Right, see here in this today next first question, your textbook next second exercise problems. See here in this first question here, so here if A, B, C are given, okay, A, B, C are given. Today definitions: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, see here first, see here addition A plus B. Next subtraction A minus B. Okay, next multiplication here AB, here BA, multiplication. Okay, see here today three definitions coming first question. Okay, this is see here in this problem. See here first one here, in this first one, see here in the first question. Okay, see here in the solution here, in the solution here first one, see here first A plus B, here A plus B is equal to here A plus B is equal to A matrix. See here in this A matrix here, A matrix is 2, here 4, here 3, here 2. Okay, A matrix. Next one plus B matrix here, in this B matrix this one. So here 1, 3, 1, 3. Next one here minus 2, here 5, minus 2, 5. Okay, see here that is equal to, see here adding corresponding elements here, adding, okay, addition. See here 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. Next one 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Next 3 plus in the minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. Next 2 plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. This is A plus B. Okay, A plus B. See here in this model all problems are procedure same, addition. Okay, adding corresponding elements. Okay, right. Next see here A minus B. Next one, second one is A minus B. See here in the second one is A minus B. Here A minus B is equal to A matrix. A matrix is 2, 4, here 3 2, okay 3 2 minus next money value here 1 3 1 3 here minus 2 5 1 3 minus 2 5, okay that is equal to, so that is here subtraction here, so subtraction, okay subtract corresponding elements here 2 minus 1 here 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 is 1. Next one 4 here minus 3 4 minus 3 4 minus 3 is 1. Next one 3 minus into minus plus 2 here 3 minus into minus plus 2 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 is 5. Next one value here 2 minus 5 here 2 minus 5 2 minus 5 is minus 3, okay minus 3. So this is A minus B, okay this is A minus B, okay right. See here next remaining value here third one here 3A minus C 3A minus C. See here in this third one 3A minus C here 3A, okay 3A here minus C is equal to, see here 3A means multiply A. See here multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, okay multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, here 3 is a scalar, multiply each element of A by the scalar, okay so here multiply each element of A by 3. See here 3A, so 3A 3 into 2 6, next 3 into 4 3 into 4 is 12. Next one here 3 into 3 3 into 3 is 9. Next one value 3 into 2 3 into 2 is 6, okay 3 into 2 is 6 3 into 2 is 6 minus C here, see here in the C matrix, here in the C matrix this matrix, okay in the C matrix is here minus 2 here 5 minus 2 5. Next one value here that is 3 4, okay 3 4, so that is equal to see here in this one is subtraction here, okay subtraction. See here in the subtraction here, see here 6 minus into minus 2, see here 6 minus into minus 2 plus 2 6 plus 2 this element is 8. Next one 12 minus 5 here 12 minus 5 12 minus 5 is 7, okay 12 minus 5 is 7. Next 9 minus 3, see here 9 minus 3 9 minus 3 is 6. Next one is 6 minus 4, okay 6 minus 4 6 minus 4 is 2 6 minus 4 is 2, this is 3A minus C, okay right 3A minus C. See procedure same, okay right? Okay next one product here, see here product AB BA, okay next we calculate product here. See here in this product here, next is here in this product here, right see here in this product here, okay in this product okay AB first we calculate AB, right see here first here in this product here, so here in this solution here in this solution, right see here in this fourth one here, so here AB is equal to here AB, okay AB is equal to A matrix, first write here A matrix here, in this A matrix here 2 4 here 3 2, okay 3 2 into next one B matrix, here in this B matrix is 1 3 1 3 minus 2 3 1 3 minus 3, okay so that is equal to see here in this product here one time, okay see that word. So here first take first row, see here first row here first column first row first column, okay first row first column. See here first multiply 2 into 1 here 2 into 1, see here first row first column multiply first row first column first element, see here first row first column, see here 2 into 1 2 into 1 is 2. Next multiply 4 into minus 2 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, okay next see here in this element here first row second column, okay see here first row here second column, so here 2 into 3 2 into 3 is 6. Next value 3 into 4 here 3 into 4 is 12 plus 12, okay right. Next here in this element here second row first column, so here take second row first column second row first column, so 3 into 1 3 into 1 is 3, okay 3 into 1 is 3. Next 2 into minus 2 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, okay minus 4. Next here this element is second row second column, so here second row second column 3 into 3 3 into 3 is 9 3 into 3 is 9, see here 3 into 3 3 into 3 is 9. Next 2 into 3 here 2 into 3 is 6, okay 2 into 3 is 6, okay 2 into 3 is 6, so that is equal to see here 2 minus 8 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Next 6 plus 12 6 plus 12 is 18. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Next one value here this is 15, okay this is 15, okay this is AB, okay this is AB. Next same B also same, see here BA So in this one is fifth one is BA. See here in this BA, here BA is equal to first write B matrix. Okay, B matrix. Here in this B matrix, this one. So that is 1 3 here minus 2 5 1 3 minus 2 5. This is B. Here A, in this A matrix, here this matrix. So in this A matrix, here 2 4, here 2 4 3 2. Okay, 3 2. So here that is equal to see here this matrix also multiplication same. See here, first take first row and first column. Okay, first row and first column. So here in this first row, first column. See here, first row, first column. First element is first row, first column. See here, first row, first column. Multiplier 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. Next one 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 9. Next one is here, in this element is first row, second column. See here, first row, next take second column. So 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is 4. Next one is here 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 6. Okay. Right. Next, see here, in this element second row, first column. See here, take second row, first column. So minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Next 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 3 is here 15. Okay, 5 into 3 is 15. Next, see here in this element here, second row, second column. So take second row, second column. So minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Next one, 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 2 is 10. So that is equal to, right, see here, 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. Next one value 4 plus 6 is 10. Next one value minus 4 plus 15. So that is equal to 11. Next one value minus 8 plus 10. That is 2. Okay. This is BA. Okay. This is BA. Right. See here in this AB value. Here AB matrix, this matrix. Okay. Next BA. BA matrix is this matrix. These two are equal? Not equal here. Okay. May or may not exist BA. See here, AB is not equal to, see here AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. Okay, right? See here, AB value that matrix. Next BA value this matrix. Finish. Okay. See here in these problems. Remaining all problems are same procedure. Okay, same procedure. Next exercise only addition, multiplication. Okay, remaining exercise, second exercise. Okay, all questions same, no change. Okay, in this second exercise, in final exam 5 marks question coming. 5 marks question, easy problems. Okay, 5 marks questions. Only this one, this type of questions. Okay, write this question. Okay, right. Next problem. Right. See here in this problem. Here compute the indicate. Okay, indicated product here, indicated product here. Okay, in this product here. See in this third question. Okay, right. See here in this first one here, in this solution here, this is the product here. Okay, product here. First take this one, first one. Okay, in this first one here, so this is A, here B minus B A. Okay, B A. Next to, see this is A minus B, here B A. Right, see that is equal to, here multiplier first here, take first row, first column. Okay, see here in this data, take here first row and first column. Okay, this element, right, these elements here. In this elements here, see here first A into A square. This is A square. Right, next one B into B square plus B square. Okay, plus B square, this element. Next here in this element is first row, second column. So take here first row, second column. See A into minus B, minus AB. Okay, minus AB. Next here multiplier B into A. B into A is BA. So that is plus AB. Okay, plus AB. Next here in this element is second row, first column. So here second row, first column. So minus B into A, minus AB. Okay, minus AB. Next multiply A into B. A into B is AB. So A into B is AB. Right, next here in this element second row, second column. Take here second row, here second column. Minus B into B plus B square. Minus and minus plus B into B, B square. Here in this element is B square. Next here A into A square plus A square. Okay, plus here A square. Right, here AB plus AB get cancelled here. This is also cancelled here. Remaining matrix here. So in this remaining matrix A square plus B square. Okay, A square plus B square. next element is 0, here this is 0, next element is a square plus here b square, a square plus b square, okay, a square plus b square. Right, next see first one finish. Next one, second one also same here, second one. See here in the second one, see here in this one is see here, take this one here. First here in this matrix is 1, here minus 2, next one 2, here 3, okay, 2 3. Next here in this data here 1 2 3, 1 2 3, next one 2 3, here 2 3 1, okay, 2 3 1. So that is equal to, right, see here in this matrix here. So here in this matrix order is 2 by 2, okay, 2 by 2 this matrix order. This matrix order is here 2 rows, 1 2 columns, 1 2 3 columns, okay, 2 by 3, okay, 2 by 3. See here the number of columns of A is equals to number of rows of B, okay, product is possible, okay, right. Next remaining matrix order is 2 by 3 matrix order coming, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 means 2 rows 3 columns, okay, 3 columns, right. See here first here take here first row and first column, okay, right, first row first column, right element here. So here in these elements are here, see here 1 into 1, 1 into 1 is 1, next minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, okay, this one, okay, right, first row first column, okay, first row first column. Next in this element is first row second column, take here first row here second column, first row second column. See here 1 into 2, 1 into 2 is 2, next time here 2 into minus 3, 2 minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, okay, minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Next this element here first row third column, see here first row third column. Next 1 into 3, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3. Next minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, okay, minus 2, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Next see here in this row is second row first column, see here in this element is second row, okay, first column. So second row first column, say 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Next 3 into 2, 3 into 2 is 6, okay, 6, 3 into 2 is 6. Next one here 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4, okay, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Next one 3 into 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 3 is 9. Next one value here 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6, okay. Next one 3 into 1 is 3, okay, 3 into 1 is 3, okay, this matrix. Next that is equal to, right, see here. So 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Next 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next second row 2 plus 6, 8, 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 9, so that is 13, okay, 4 plus 13. Next one is 6 plus 3, this is 9, okay, this is 9, okay, this is second one, okay. Write this question one time. Okay, right. Next see here in this third one, in this one, okay, see here, this is 3 by 3 matrices, okay, multiply 3 by 3 matrices, right. See here in this next one, in this next one here, see here in this next one first here, take this first, okay, first 2 3 4, here 2 3, here 2 3 4, next one 3 4 5, here 3, here 4, here 5. Next one value 4 5 6, here 4, here 5, here 6. Alright, next one see 1 minus 3 5, here 1, here minus 3, here this is 5. Next second row 0 2 4, that is 0, here 2, here 4. Next one 3 0 5, so that is 3 0, here 5, 3 0 5. Alright, see here in this matrix here, say first row first column, see here in this, these are same 3 by 3 matrix, okay. So first row first take first column, okay, first row first column, see 3 by 3. So here in this one, see here first row, so 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 0, 3 into 0 is 0. Next one 4 into 3, 4 into 3 is 4 into 3 is here 12, okay, first row first column. Next element here first row second column, so you take first row here second column. So 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3 is here minus 6. Next one 3 into 2, okay, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 is 6, right. Next one value, say in this next one value here 4 into 0, 4 into 0 is 0, okay, plus 0. Next here in this element, okay, first row third column, take here first row, here next one third column, So 2 into 5, 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 5 is 10. Next one 3 into 4, 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, 3 into 4 is here 12. Next one 4 into 5, 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, 4 into 5 is here 20. Great, first row. Next same, here take second row, here second row, first column. See here second row, this is second row, first column. See here take second row, first column. So 3 into 1, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, 3 into 1 is 3. 4 into 0, 4 into 0 is 0. Next one 5 into 3, 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 3 is here 15. Okay. Next here this element is second row, second column. See here second row, second column. So 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Next one value 4 into 2. Here 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, 4 into 2 is 8. Next one 5 into 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 0 is 0. Okay. Right. Next see here second row, third column. So 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, 3 into 5 is 15. Next one 4 into 4. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. Next one 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, here 20, here 5, 25. Next third column elements. Okay, third column. See here third row. See here take third row and first column. See here this element is third row, first column. See here third row, first column. 4 into 1 is 4. Next 5 into 0. 5 into 0 is 0. Next 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is 18. 6 into 3 is 18. Okay. Right. Next see here in this element third row, second column. See here third row, second column. Next 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Next 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. Right. Next one value 6 into 0. 6 into 0 is 0. Okay. Right. Next here in this element third row, third column. See here third row, third column. So 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, 20. Next 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. Okay, plus 20. Right. Next one value 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is 30. 6 into 5 is here 30. 6 into 5 is 30. Okay, right? See here that is equal to here in this matrix here. Right. See here 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. Next one minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Next element value 2, 20, 30, 42. In this element is 42. Okay. Right. Next is here 15 plus 3. This is 18. Next one here in this value minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. In this value is 25, 40, 56 here. 56. Next here third row. See here 18 plus 4 that is 22. Next here minus 12 plus 10 that is minus 2. Here this value is 40 plus 30 that is 70. Okay, this is product of these two matrices. Okay, in this model all problems are procedure same, no change. Okay, first understood this concept here. Okay, today practice easy question 3-4 times. Okay, today class finished. Okay, write this question.